Hi, Technician Editor John Wallace here. Today I'm joined by Andrea Garcia from USOC. Andrea, can you tell us a little bit more about USOC Medical and how it helps HTM professionals?
Absolutely. Here at USOC Medical, we are committed to providing simple solutions for complex devices. We provide medical device repair services, equipment and parts sales, and leasing solutions for OEMs, hospitals, and medical equipment management companies. We specialize in patient monitors, modules, telemetry, CO2 modules, infusion pumps, and an array of other modalities. We are also ISO 13485 and 9001 certified, and we service facilities all over the US and Canada. We have recently entered into a partnership with CSAT Solutions, a company that provides electronic and digital device repair, and we are excited to launch USOC East this summer, which will act as a repair depot for the East Coast.
Thank you, Andrea. In the May issue, you helped out with the roundtable article. Can you tell us a little bit more about IV pumps and what HTM professionals need to know?
Well, I think it's important for HTM readers to maintain a preventive maintenance schedule for all of their medical devices, as it is critical for these devices to function properly at all times of their usage. Also, keep in mind that here at USOC Medical, we perform the PM for numerous devices as well, and can be a great resource for setting in your overflow units. We also provide leasing and loaner options that can prevent equipment shortage if you need to send in multiple units for repair. Our sales and customer service representatives are very knowledgeable and will be in constant communication throughout the repair or purchase process.
Andrea, thank you so much for taking time today. For more information about IV pumps, check out the May issue of TechNation and read the roundtable article.